Congratulations. Well, this is Konaram Para. There is one more village which is just 10 to 15 minutes from here. There is also Konaram. That is why it is called Konaram 1 and Konaram 2. In fact, this is the last village in my constituency. That I would say last village of Khwai district. The other side it is Dolai district. Now after visiting here, it is very clear that they are having water problem, they are having road problem, no electricity here, no school at all. I have discussed this matter with them, and very soon I will be meeting the DM, I will be meeting the SDM, the BDOs. I will also be meeting the Honorable Tribal Welfare Minister. I will tell them about these problems and we will try to solve it out. We visited two VCs today. One is Kakarasara VC, the other is Nonasara VC. In fact, among many, these are the worst VC that I have seen.
Dangai dangai fani simi chibrei mutai klaijakai faimani tabubo joto raida ko siwino bisi burum hahom dodom klai palaijagai tongo chibrei mutai no ruksawi hastini joto lukurogno hamjakma khuloma yafaru Tripurasa amsai sakbaithang naikoljak hangkor nokni bukhaktei Tini hai kethar sal jotoni bagino kaham tongthun tei hamani to buthun